Okay, great. Thank you. We shall see you at the workshop. Bye. I'm just off a call with a client who wanted to know a bit more about the marketing strategies for Dummies series. And I'm telling her about this wonderful story that I always share about my mama Mboga. What is important about her is that without fail, she will call me or message me on the day before she's coming over to drop my mbogas, which are very important to me. She understands what is important to me. She understands my behavior, that I'm a busy person and I will forget, that I need to send her a list. And she also knows to always ask about my family because she knows that that's also important for me. This is a very small part of a marketing strategy. It doesn't have to be complicated, but you have to understand your target audience. And that's where marketing strategies comes in. We'll see you there. Bye.